Hi everyone. Today we're going to show you how to register for a SmartHub account to help manage your Pioneer account using your computer or laptop. Let's get started. First, visit our website at gopioneer.com and on the homepage, click the Account menu in the top right-hand corner. Then, select the Go Pioneer SmartHub option. On the SmartHub login screen, click Sign up to access our self-service site. Then you're going to enter the following information: your 5-digit account number, which can be found on your bill, your last name or business name as it appears on your bill. Finally, an email you want to use for your SmartHub account. Then click Submit. Next, you're going to enter the requested account information to verify your identity. The answers must match account info exactly. Then click Submit. If you have not set up the security questions beforehand, you will need to stop by your local office first to have these set up before your registration can be completed. You will then see a confirmation that your registration has been successfully completed. After successfully completing your registration, you're going to check your inbox for an email that contains a temporary password you will need to log into your SmartHub account for the first time. On the SmartHub login page, enter your email and the temporary password, then click Login. After logging in for the first time, you will be asked to change your password to a more permanent password. If you need more help or have any questions, visit us at gopioneer.com/support.